Are you ready to transform your body? Do you want to feel amazing? Today we begin a journey together. This is not just another workout. It is a promise to yourself. We are going to burn 300 calories in just 32 minutes. Welcome to the Lose Zone family. We are so excited to have you here with us today. There is absolutely no equipment needed. Our plan for the next 32 minutes is simple but very effective. All right, it's time to get started. The clock is ticking and our 3-minute warm-up begins now. We are going to start by simply marching in place. Lift your knees up one by one. Keep it light and easy. Now let's add a little something to our march. We are going to do some butt kicks. We are going to start with some nice big arm circles. Extend your arms straight out to your sides at shoulder height. Now let's bring our arms down and move on to shoulder rolls. Inhale as you lift your shoulders up towards your ears. We are going to start with leg swings. Stand on your left leg and gently swing your right leg forward and backward. Now, let's switch our position to face the wall. We will do some side-to-side leg swings. For our final minute of the warm-up, let's bring our attention to our core. Let's start with some standing torso twists. Take one last deep breath in, and as you exhale, shake it all out. The main event starts right now. Here we go. Our first exercise is a classic, jumping jacks. The timer is set for 45 seconds of work. Focus on your form. Keep your movements light and springy. Your heart rate is climbing, and that is exactly what we want. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Fantastic work. Time for high knees. Start jogging in place, but drive those knees up high. Think about getting your thighs parallel to the floor. Your lungs might be burning, and your legs might feel heavy. This is where the mental challenge comes in. 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Yes, you did it. Let's go with those butt kicks. Start with a light jog in place. Now focus on kicking those heels straight back. Keep your pace steady and consistent. Feel that stretch in the front of your thighs and the contraction in the back of your legs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Excellent job. All right, let's do this. Begin your power squats now. Lower your hips back and down into a deep squat. Now explode up. Push through your heels with power. Your thighs might be screaming at you right now. That is the feeling of your muscles getting stronger. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Amazing. Let's begin with those speed skaters. Start on one side of your space. Leap laterally to the other side, landing softly. Find a rhythm. Think about being powerful and graceful at the same time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Fantastic job. Let's go. We are climbing. Get into that high plank position. Start driving those knees in towards your chest, one after the other. Keep your hips down. This is a true test of your core strength and cardiovascular endurance. You are doing an amazing job. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. You did it. Here we go. Let's do this. Start your burpees now. From a standing position, squat down and place your hands on the floor. You are a machine. Keep that rhythm going. This is the peak of the mountain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Yes, you did it. You conquered the burpee. Let's go. It's time for lunge jumps. Start in that lunge position. Right foot forward, left foot back. Explode up, switch, and land. You look like an athlete. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Amazing job. Let's finish strong. Get into that high plank position and begin your plank jacks now. Jump your feet out wide, then jump them back in. Your main focus should be on keeping your core rock solid. The final 10 seconds of the entire main workout. Give it everything you have left in the tank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you are done. Done. You did it. You absolutely crushed that workout. Take a moment right now to just be proud. Let's start our 4-minute cool down by walking very slowly around your space. Think of this as a victory lap. We are going to start with a standing hamstring stretch. Step your right foot forward, heel on ground, toes up. Now let's stretch out the front of our thighs with a quad stretch. Stand on your left leg, grab your right foot. Stand tall and interlace your fingers behind your back. Feel that beautiful stretch across your chest and shoulders. For our final stretch, let's make our way down to the floor. We are going to finish in a relaxing child's pose. This pose signifies rest, surrender, and gratitude. It's the perfect way to conclude our physical practice. Take this moment to thank yourself. Thank your body for its strength. Thank your mind for its determination. You have officially crossed the finish line. The 32-minute cardio challenge is complete. Think back to the person you were just 32 minutes ago. Look at you now. Right now, all around the world, thousands of other people are pressing play on this very same workout. If you enjoyed this workout, we would be so grateful if you could give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We would absolutely love to hear from you. Scroll down to the comments section and let us know how you feel. Before you go, we want to offer you a final blessing. May you continue to be blessed with strength in your body, peace in your mind, and joy in your spirit. Always check the description area of this video for any free help we offer. Thank you for choosing to spend your time with us and for watching this Lose Zone video. You are amazing. May God bless you.